Well, President Trump doubled down on his demands for a border wall, blaming Democrats for any deaths of children or others at the border as the fight over border security is being waged in Washington. His Homeland Security Secretary continued her tour along the border. Janet Shamlian has the details from El Paso.
Homeland Security Secretary Kirstjen Nielsen was in El Paso yesterday, touring those overcrowded detention centers. DHS did not allow pictures or press to accompany her. She's also visiting facilities in Arizona this weekend. Her trip comes after a second migrant child died while in U.S. custody. That boy, Felipe Gomez Alonso, had the flu when he died, not a cold, as originally diagnosed when he was treated and released from a New Mexico emergency room Christmas Eve. His mother says the 8-year-old was making the journey to help his family. He told me, "I'm going with my dad. I'm going to study there, and then I'll work to send you money." In the aftermath of the children's deaths, Homeland Security has called for thorough medical screenings of all children being held. Those exams already underway at 16 medical centers in El Paso.
They are seen by a physician. They have a head-to-toe assessment.
In recent days, more migrant families left by ICE at bus stops in Arizona. Immigration officials say it's an effort to get families who've legally applied for asylum out of overcrowded detention centers more quickly, even though sometimes there's nowhere for them to go.
All of the churches are at capacity or they're tapped out. And this is problematic because now where are we going to place these folks?
Charitable groups like this Tucson church are doing what they can. Volunteers took in a dozen migrants, offering a hot meal, clothing, and a place to sleep.
These are at-risk and vulnerable people, their children, and their parents who are in great jeopardy if they're dropped off on the streets.
A growing crisis with no easy solutions. Janet Shamlian, CBS News, El Paso, Texas.